So show us how you peel potatoes.
Mommy, I do it with this cutter.
Yeah?
See? Then it cuts.
Then it cuts.
See?
Uh-huh. Good job, and it cuts the skin off, huh?
Yep, I have to get to work.
Okay, you get to work.
I need the water. Sometimes I need the water. I need the water on to get the skin on that stuck on the potato.
Yeah?
Yeah. Time to do the other side.
Okay, you do the other side. Let's get a close look here. Good job. Gosh. You're doing a really good job. I like how you hold the potato behind where you're going to cut. It's very safe.
Yep.
Watch out. There you go. Good job. Okay.
Just a little bit off at a time.
Takes a little bit off at a time. Okay, say hi to all your fans.
Hi all fans.
Say keep cooking.
Keep cooking.